We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We're going to be looking at how to say more confusing words, words with silent letters, and more vocabulary in English. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. And until the end of the video, let's break down the pronunciation. Two slightly different ways of pronouncing it. Top one here, that's your phonetic spelling for the British English pronunciation UK. Shorn. Shorn. American English, however, looks a little more like the spelling of the actual word, shorn. Shorn, American English, while in British English again, shorn. Now, you know, like this video, if you found it useful, appreciate your support and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.